I woke up 2 days ago with this speech in my mind telling myself that I'm gonna have to do it that day, but I didn't. I kept pushing it off and telling myself I'll do it later until I woke up this morning and I realized that it is still bothering me. It's still gnawing at my back because I haven't got it done. The main reason I'm my own worst enemy is that I love to procrastinate. It's a very big hobby of mine and I do it daily. I do it like most of my friends and I. Some of you guys probably have the same problem. So I want to go about this by telling you places I procrastinate, the effects of procrastination, what I need to do to get better at it, and what the outcomes could be if I stop procrastinating as much as I do today. So places I procrastinate. I procrastinate pretty much anywhere I go. I kill myself when it comes to procrastination. I could do it either at work, at school, when it comes to homework and stuff like that, or even in my own personal life. The outcomes of this procrastination, it causes a huge buildup of work, causing you to get a little more anxious, causing more homework, more work, or more personal life issues to continue to build up, and you just grow more anxious thinking where to start or how to go about it, thinking you need to do it and it bothers you. And also the lack of progression to where either it be at work or at school, you see others around you excelling in areas that you're not. When you just stay in the exact same spot, you don't progress. You just stay there. And now that we talked about what the effects are, I want to talk about what we can do or what I can do to get better at this. I want to start off with a planner. Getting a planner, I'd be able to tell myself or remind myself what I want to get done that day or sometime in the near future to give myself that push like, hey, okay, this is what I want to get done. I have to get that done. Also, another thing is motivation. Me, if I'm not motivated to do something, I more likely just won't do it. So sometimes I need that extra push, someone to push me to tell me, hey, you gotta get this, to get me where I need to go. And I would say a main element in this whole thing is discipline. Being able to tell yourself that you need to get it done. And after a while of doing this, being disciplined enough to doing what you have to do, even though you don't want to, actually pays off in the long run because you'll have a lot less work and you'll grow less anxious. Which brings me to my next main point is the outcomes. The outcomes come rolling in. The anxiety goes away. You get that monkey off your chest, all that weight off your back because you've already got it done. You don't need to worry about it anymore. Another one is a sense of pride. You start to feel proud of yourself and glad that you've done what you've needed to do. And another one is achievements. The achievements come rolling in. It starts to pile up because you went that extra mile to do what you have to do when others didn't. So you start to get all these awards and all this stuff given to you because you take that initiative. In conclusion, I spoke about why I'm my own worst enemy and how I can get better at it. So now, I, so now that we know it's very important not to procrastinate, seeing all the downfalls of what I explained and what we can achieve if we don't procrastinate, I want you to ask yourself one thing. Can I really afford to procrastinate any longer? Thank you.